Hi friends, this is Sophia here, and today we know Selenium automation for local setup. First thing, you need to install Git on your system if it is not present. So install Git for Windows and verify the installation using this command git dash dash version. The output will comes like this. Then install Java JDK 11 and above. So I have installed Java 21 earlier. So according to my requirement, I again install Java 11. Then check Java versions. So the output will come like this. Open JDK runtime environment. Here you can see version 11. Open JDK 11. Then configure with the environment variable. How will you get from here? You can in window you can go, you can write here environment variable or environment edit and system environment variable. It comes under control panel, and here you can do setup or configure the JDK 11 path. Provide the path variable value, this one, add the path variable and do check. So here I have did this. I can show you. You can click on environment variable, then come to the system variable and click on here. We can see JDK 11 is there present, then JDK 21 also present. So which is required, you bring that on the top. So I am using JDK 21, that's why I bring it to the top. Okay, and then click on OK. In this way you can do the environment setup, environment variable setup, and check Java version. Then if required, it is not necessary, but you may install Python also. So Python 3.12 64-bit, and add python.exe to the path. Also, which path? That environment variable, and verified installation Python version. Then you need a Visual Studio Code. Install Visual Studio Code. Enable the VS Code command in the path, and you need to enable it also in that environment variable. The same way you can do this. Provide the path and enable it, and you can then write code dash dash version. Then you get the version output like this. Then another one, Java extensions in VS Code. So after installation VS Code, what you need? The extension. You need to add extensions. So here I am opening my VS Code, and which extension you need for here? Language support for Java, extension pick for Java, and Gradle for Java. Because I am working on Gradle, so I am using Gradle for Java. If someone working on Maven, they can add Maven related extensions. So let me show you. So where you get the extension, this is the extension place. Here we'll go, and what the thing, extension pack for Java, you need to install it. Because I have already installed, so it is showing on install. When we click on it, then you can here install is present. You click on it, then it got installed. And another thing, what, Gradle for Java, it is needed extension, and you can add this language support for Java. other who work on Maven, then they can add Maven for Java also. Project Manager for Java, Test Runner for Java. These are the extension I have added. So you can edit this extension in Visual Studio Code platform. Okay, then as you install Git, you need to configure the Git also. For that, in the command prompt, you write this command git config double dash global user dot name and provide your name inside the this. Then configure email like this git config global user dot email. Write exactly like this. For just in this place, you can provide your name, your email address. Then verified git config dash dash global dash dash list. If you are using GitLab, then you can configure the in GitLab also. So for that, log into the Cryo here. I'm working with Cryo, learning with Cryo. So this is Cryo GitLab. And use the existing SSH key. Display the public key as .pub. Copy the public key and add it to the GitLab user setting SSH key. Let me open the GitLab and I will show you this SSH key. Then can be added there. Okay, let's open the GitLab. So here I can show you. Let me show the SSH key in GitHub. I am showing opening the GitHub. Go to click on here and go to setting. Here you can see SSH, SSH and GPG key. This is the I have provided here. Okay, you can generate from your PC. Now come to the Selenium project setup. This is the important part. After doing till step 8, after installation of all software and check the version, come to the step number 9, that is Selenium project setup. So created a Gradle Java project in VS Code, added the Selenium dependency to the Gradle project, build the project successfully using /Gradle build. So what we will do, we can create a Gradle project in VS Code and add the Selenium dependency. How do you add Selenium dependency? I will let me show you how do you add Selenium dependency. Go to Maven repository. Here click on the here, then it is verifying. It will open soon. So this is the Maven repository. Here you can write Selenium. Selenium. Click enter. It's again doing security verification. So this is the Selenium Java. Click on this. So here you come to this Selenium Java 38 uses, 10 uses. So let's go to the 4.44 version. Who are using Maven, they can copy this dependency because I am using Gradle. So Gradle user can copy this dependency. And where this dependency is needed? It is needed while we are writing the code uh, to use Selenium. Let me show you. This is the code I have written for my testing, and this is the file structure. You can see .gradle base code app. This is the src folder. Inside src folder, this is the app.java. Here I have written Chrome driver. Here Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. So this is, here I am using Selenium manager. So what is the work of Selenium manager? It will automatically fetches the driver. So no need of the WebDriver manager because it's just we are using Selenium manager. Not required anymore. The WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. What we have to do is the code which we copy just right now, we paste it here in this dependency section. Here add Selenium dependency here. Okay, just we need to do that one, this dependency section, and then we come here in this place and declare Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver, and write the code whatever. Here I am validate the presence of search box, navigate to the page, qcat page, then locate the element, that search box element, using explicit wait whether search box is displayed, yes or no. So I do that, then come to the main, void main, where we declare Chrome driver equal to create driver. We call this method. Okay, then inside the try catch blocks, we call verify search box method. If there is any exception, then it can print, then close the browser. Okay, we do that and then run it and build successful. Two actionable tasks to execute it. Use the Gradle run. Okay, so in this way, I can do the Selenium project setup in our local machine. Now move on to the step Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome browser, you can install Google Chrome. Selenium manager automatically download the compatible Chrome driver, so no need to worry about it. No manual Chrome driver download is required. So let's know more about Selenium manager, the modern Selenium. So using Selenium 4.6 plus, therefore no need to manually download Chrome driver, no need to use this code system.set property which we use generally in WebDriver manager, that is webdriver.chrome.driver, then come path to the Chrome driver. No need of this, no not need of this line also, WebDriver manager.chrome.driver.setup. Instead simply create the driver Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver, these things which I have written here. Earlier I have set up, later there is no need of it. This is comes under one line. Okay, so Selenium manager automatically detect the install Chrome browser, download the correct Chrome driver if needed, configure the driver automatically. Simple driver initialization. Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver method. Here comes under public static Chrome driver, create driver. Inside it comes driver.manage.window dash maximize this is maximize according to window return driver. So local setup verification. So you do verify git install successfully, Java 11b present in your system. Python is not required. If you want, you can keep it. Visual Studio Code is needed. Configuration with GitLab or GitHub is needed. Gradle project you can create in the base code. Okay, Selenium Manager, where you can use Selenium Manager, install the Chrome browser if it's not present there, and another set of VS Code Java extension. You have to install it inside the VS Code. Okay, so these are the thing. This is all about it. All about the Selenium setup in Selenium automation local setup, that is 4.6 plus version. Thank you.